Search for appMink.
Uh-oh, we've got a problem.
What's wrong, Mr. Police Car? We need to get back to town so we can go on patrol.
Sorry, Walkie Talkie. My engine is overheated. Maybe I should lay off the spicy food.
So much smoke. We need help. Attention, Mr. Crane Truck. We're stuck south of appMink Town.
Walkie Talkie said to meet here. But where is he?
I've got to get his attention.
Oh, there you are. What happened?
It's terrible. Mr. Police Car is overheated.
In that case, I better take him back to the repair shop.
Good work, Mr. Crane Truck. But wait, you forgot me. Oh no, how will I get back in time for patrol? Mr. Crane Truck, can't you come back and get me?
I'm sorry, Walkie Talkie. It's too dangerous to turn around while towing. I'll come back in an hour.
I wish I had my own wheels. Wow, what's that? Oh, someone's passing by. I wonder if they can help. Excuse me, can you help me get back to town? Of course. Since I'm a special construction vehicle, I'll build a taxi for you. Just let me grab this package. I'll show you step by step. Whoa. Wow. This is what I use to make the tire. Are you ready? Have a look. What's that? Now let's spin the Stylomatic to find out what's going to make this taxi extra unique. Looks like this one is going to have a hat, a mustache, and a rubber ducky. It's a bit small. Well, I hadn't thought about that, but I've got an idea. A little bit of air will do the trick. Get back, Walkie Talkie. A life-size yellow and black taxi. Wow, it's perfect. Thanks so much. With friends helping out, anything is possible.